Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download your Amazon Associates earnings report in a CSV format. So you want to go ahead and click the three lines on the upper right hand side and go to reports, then click on your earnings report. Now once you're on your earnings report page, on the upper right hand side click on download reports. Now from here you want to choose whatever you want to, let's say, get the report for, and choose CSV. So once you choose the CSV format, go ahead and click on the generate report. Once you click on the generate report, you will see it start to generate the report, and you can see that it's currently preparing. All you have to do is just go ahead and wait for this to be ready. And once this is ready, guys, you will be able to basically get access to that download format of your choice. Right here it says no data, and that's because it's a brand new account, but you get the general idea. You will be able to get access to that file so that you can easily get that report. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.